Raju sir, good evening. This Swam Naran.
Jai Somnarayan.
Jai Somnath sir, good evening.
Good evening, Prasad.
Jai Somnarayan sir.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening. Corrections are going on, man. Your papers.
How we do, sir?
Jai Somnarayan sir. Good
Jai
evening.
Somnarayan.
How many papers were completed, sir?
7 papers completed.
Which
Good
class
sir,
sir?
sir.
Which session sir?
Which session, sir?
Only names I could remember.
Say, sir. Say, sir.
Jai Somnarayan sir. Good evening.
First I started with Akshay Sriranga.
Amma.
How many marks, sir? How many?
And
Sir, how many marks are for me?
secret it is. Highly secret.
I
Sir, when
understood.
results
I
will
understood.
announce, sir?
If I say no, it won't be interest.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Your wishes, sir. Your wish.
Yeah.
Sir, when results will announce,
Sir,
sir?
results will come in app or with a phone
Yeah.
call.
App only. In the app and as well, you'll get message. I think.
Jai
Then is there, sir, marks
when, sir?
obtained?
When, sir?
Yes, yes sir, the report card section is there, sir, in the app.
Yeah. It may take time to install the marks, I think. End of this month it will.
Marks will come at time, sir. Maybe.
Yeah.
Jai Swaminarayan, good evening, sir.
Jai Somnarayan,
Jai
Shivmani.
Swaminarayan, good evening, sir.
Jai
Sir,
Somnarayan.
only paper correction, sir.
Hello, sir. Jai Swaminarayan, good evening, sir.
Just going through your paper.
Sir, who's completed, sir?
Sir, now we will teach grammar, sir.
Yeah, grammar only.
Should
Today
be
will come.
determine.
Yeah, determines we complete today. And tomorrow onwards, we'll start the classes.
Sir, classes,
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
sir, classes you are starting us.
Not that classes.
Not classes, man.
Yes, yes.
Not the sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
My
I
voice
thought-
is clear.
Not
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear, sir.
Every completed, sir. Every.
Every, sir. Every is used when the number is unknown. That's all.
Every computer. Okay.
Sir,
Example not come.
for every-
Example not come.
Examples sir now. Every example.
Okay. Every student in the school. Example. Every student.
sir, every student.
Wait, Rishikesh now only came. Just wait, man. Relax.
Sir, every student went to the trip.
Every
Sir,
student,
every student
in the
went
school
to
like Raju, sir.
the
Oh,
Every student went to the trip.
yeah, every student in the school. Every student.
Shivamani, your voice is breaking, Shivamani.
He is saying something, sir.
Yeah, singing song. Every student in the school is present today. Every student in the school is present today. Every in a sense only single person. That's what is used there. Every student in the school is present today. Why very less members are coming?
Every student in
I think the net issue or the app is not open with the for number.
sir, every student in the school is playing today.
Shivamani, your voice is breaking. Don't talk.
It is coming like a song.
Yeah. Every student in the school is present today. Next example, every person in the world, every person in the world tries, T-R-I-E-S, tries to live.
Sir, what sir again tell sir?
Sir, once again can you say, sir? Please.
Every person in the world, every person in the world, every person in the world tries to live. Tries, T-R-I-E-S, tries to live. L-I-V-E. Full stop. Next, keep heading. Most, M-O-S-T, most, comma. This is a heading you have to keep. Most, comma, several, S-E-V-E-R-A-L, several, several, and all, A-L-L, all. So three things we are going to discuss now. First one, most,
Sir,
several, and all.
Of the people have
Your voice
Shivamani,
is
you
breaking,
keep message
Shivamani.
to sir, man. You keep message. Sir will tell
Don't
your
talk.
doubt.
Most, several, and all. So we discuss now most. Keep side heading most. Keep side heading most. We usually, now we are going to discuss regarding most. The most. We usually, U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. We usually Allampalli, you are late to class, 8 minutes. We usually use, U-S-E, use most. Most underline. We usually use most with plural, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. We usually use most with plural uncountable nouns.
Sir, example, most of us like cricket only.
Yeah. Example, most of the time, I am at home. I am at home. Most of the time, I am at home because of corona. Most of the time, I am at home because of corona.
Sir, here what is the difference between home and house, sir?
House means very less people will be there. It is talking about house in a sense, it is a physical feature of the house. Understand? It is a structural house. As we see, if you stand outside, this is my house. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Home means
Yes, sir,
along with the people called home.
Okay, sir.
People.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Very good question. Most of the time I am at home because of corona. Next example, most of the people
sir, English, sir.
most of the people can be trusted. Can be trusted. Most of the people can be trusted. Next, side heading, several. Most means many people will be coming. Several means it is a weak word than, it is a weaker word than the most. Okay, most means many. Several means not many. Several, side heading, usage of several. I'm telling where to use several, in what condition. We usually use several. We usually use several with plural nouns. With plural nouns. With the plural nouns. We usually use several with the plural nouns, comma, but it refers to, but it refers to it refers to but it refers to a number which is not very large, a number which is not very large.
Sir, I have an example for several. Can I say, sir?
Not now, just wait.
Sure, sir, sure.
Yeah, it is a less than most, less than most. Most, as I said, many, and less than several means less than most. You can keep in the bracket less than most. Yes, you know, you can tell me example, Shivamani.
Several members played today.
Yes, instead of members, several team members or team players. Okay, team, several
Yes,
players. Yeah.
yes.
Example, several people were several people were not attended the online class. Several people were not attended the online class. The online class.
Sir, one more I have. Can I say, sir?
Yeah, say.
Several members didn't write their exam well.
Very good, very good. How do you know, man?
Sir, like that only, sir.
Like that. What like that?
Didi
Okay,
mata.
next example. Several people lost their lives. Several people lost their lives. Lives. It is a plural form of life. Life is singular. Lives plural.
Sir, once repeat, sir.
Several people lost their lives in the tsunami. In the tsunami. In the tsunami.
Sir, several people lost their livelihood due to corona.
Yeah, yes. Several people lost their lives because of corona. Because of corona.
Sir, livelihood, sir, livelihood.
Yeah, livelihood also. Very good, very good. Livelihood. Next one, all. Next one, all. Keep side heading all. All requires a plural verb. 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 All requires a plural verb when used with a countable noun. Countable noun. Countable noun.
Sir, I have an example, sir.
Wait. Plural verb means countable noun. Singular verb means uncountable noun. You just plural noun, plural verb, countable noun. Singular verb, uncountable noun.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Yeah, say.
All the doctors in the India are fighting against corona to save the people.
In India or in the India?
In India.
Yeah, very good, very good. Now we are discussing determinants. That's what I asked. In India, I have to say.
Sir, one breaking news, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, sad news, sir. Sad news.
What is that?
Sir, Balasubramaniam singer is there, no, sir.
Died.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we have Shivamani, no, to sing.
Sir, Balasubramaniam not there. No, sir.
Okay. All
Sir, one more I have, sir.
you keep it with you. Just listen to me. All that glitters,
Okay,
I'll ask
sir.
you later, Shivamani. All that glitters, all that glitters, all that glitters, G-L-I-T-T-E-R-S, glitters. Glitters means brightening. All that glitters is not gold. Is not gold.
Sir, once
So
repeat, sir.
all that glitters Glitters. Glitters is not gold. We say in Telugu, no? How to say? మెరిసేవన్నీ బంగారం కాదు. మెరిసేవన్నీ బంగారం కాదు. సామెతలు ఉన్నాయి కదా మనకి.
మెరిసే అన్ని
Yes, sir.
ఫ్యూచర్ అన్ని గోల్డ్.
You can use this one in English. All that glitters is not gold. All are going to Bangalore. All are
When, sir?
tomorrow. You want to come? Book ticket is not booked for you. Don't worry.
Sir, my father will not accept, sir, because of corona. Sir, I have an example.
Yeah, tell me.
All the players in the cricket team have played well.
All how can you play, man?
Sir, 11 members, sir.
Yeah, 11 members. How can they play at a time?
No, sir.
Then you are saying no.
Sir, all of us like fruits.
Yeah, all of us like fruits. Very good. So next example, this is a final example. Either and neither. EITHER. EITHER, either and neither. NEITHER. Either and neither. What is the spelling of neither and either, Shivamani?
EITHER. It's called either, sir. NEITHER, neither.
Once again, pronounce.
EITHER, either. NEITHER, neither.
That is not either, either. Either, neither. Either, neither.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Now first side heading, either. Either side heading. We use either. We use either to refer to TO2. We use either to refer to two things. TWOTHINGS. Two things.
Sir, once repeat, sir, sentence, sir.
We use either to refer to two things. We use either to refer to two things. Comma, people, two things, comma, people means among people also. People, comma, situations. Lower your hand, Shivamani.
Done, sir.
Situations, etc. two things. Refer to two things. Full stop. It may mean. It may mean. It may mean. MEAN. It may mean. It may mean one or the other. One or the other. One or the other of two. One or the other of.
Sir, once repeat, sir. Once.
Repeating. It may mean one or the other. It may mean one or the other of two. Of two. Of two. Example. Yeah, say, Kritik. When you are saying, you have to turn on your video and say. When you are speaking anything, you have to anybody. If you want to say, turn on your video and say, the other people can watch you out. Yeah. Say, Kritik.
I would like to have either coffee or tea.
Where is either?
I would like to have either coffee or tea.
Very good. Good. Nice example. I am going to say example now. Write down. I don't agree with. I don't agree with. I don't agree with. Either Tarun or Prithvi. Either Tarun or Prithvi. I don't agree with either Tarun or Prithvi. Next, neither side heading, neither. We use neither with only singular. We use neither with only singular. We use neither with only singular countable nouns. We use neither with only singular countable nouns. We use neither with only singular countable nouns and a singular verb.
Sir, after singular what, sir?
Singular verb. Verb. Last 10 minutes. Example.
Sir, I have, sir.
What you have, man?
Neither.
On your video.
Example.
On your
sir.
video, Yaman.
Example, sir.
Turn on your video. First of all, rule is there.
Video,
No?
Yaman.
Yes, sir.
We have a rule. Those who want to speak, they have to
Yes, sir. Can I say, sir?
Yeah.
Neither of us did not do the homework.
Neither of us did not do homework. Why?
Because of Corona.
Yeah. For homework, Corona has come or what? Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Neither of the two boys. Example. Neither of the two boys. Neither of the two boys passed the exam. Neither of the two boys passed the exam. In the two boys, Shivamani also is there.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, neither and either we can't use them in the same sentence, sir.
You can use it and tell me.
In the cricket team, neither of he didn't catch, either he didn't. I'm
Not proper. So neither is a very negative of either. Either means anyone. Neither means no one. Very easy way of understanding. Either means anyone.
Sir, give an example of neither and either in the same sentence, please, sir.
Same sentence. Anyone can be used, man.
We can't use them both in the same sentence, sir.
After keeping full stop, number of sentences you can write.
Okay.
Sir, I have an example.
As I said, no. Either means anyone. Either means anyone. Neither means
No one. Sir, you unmuted, sir.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, you are unmuted, sir. Hello, sir.
You are muted, sir.
Sir, you
think,
are
sir,
muted.
Just
I
wait,
think
just
sir,
wait,
I-
Raj. Just wait.
I think, sir, I have an issue. We'll wait.
Sir, got a college.
Yes, boys. Either means anyone. Either means anyone. Neither means no one. Very easy to understand.
Your
Sir,
voice is low, sir.
low, sir.
Yes, sir, your voice is low.
Your voice is okay? No,
No, sir.
Sir, बिल्कुल noise है, sir.
No, sir.
Now also it is low, sir.
Either means anyone.
Okay. Now coming, sir.
Now okay, sir.
Yeah. Either means anyone. Neither means no one.
Yes, sir. We understood, sir.
Okay. Now, fourth to last one, possessives. Very important and very easy. Possessives. What are the possessives? Tell me, Shivamani. Possessives.
My, your, his, her, it's our, your, their.
Very good. Very good. So make it a two columns. Two columns. 7
Yes, sir.
possessives are there. 7 possessives. Very easy. Two columns. Very small column only. Two columns. First column, write subject, heading. First column, subject. Second column, possessive determiner. First column, heading, subject. Second column, possessive determiner. Possessive determiner. Possessive spelling Possessives.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Next. Now, in a subject place, write 7 subjects are there. 7 subjects. Continuously write down. First one I. Only subjects I am telling. First one I. Second one we. Third one you. Fourth one they. Fifth one he. Sixth one she. Seventh one it. First I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Possessive determiners now. For I, what comes possessive determiner? For I, what comes?
Sir, mine, sir, mine.
Yes, my
Mine.
comes.
Sir, we. Us.
We? No,
Us,
wrong
us.
answer. Our. Our. We, our. You, your. They,
Them.
they,
There.
There, sir.
they,
Theirs.
Yes.
they.
His, sir. His. He.
Z.
His.
Is.
Next one, her, sir.
Her. Her. Her.
It, sir. It.
Her.
It's a sir.
It
It's
will become it only, sir.
It,
It.
it's.
It's a sir.
ITS, no apostrophe. No
Okay,
apostrophe. It's comes.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. So, just to listen, everybody. These possessives are used as adjectives. For example, this is my book. This is your house. These pens are yours.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, once repeat possessives determiner, sir.
Mine, our, yours.
I. Just check it out, everybody. Don't talk. Mute everyone.
Yes, sir. Muting, sir.
I, my, we, our, you, your, they, their, he, his, she, her, it, its. Understand? These all possessives are used as a possessive adjectives. We say possessive adjectives. In the place of,
Adjective, sir.
yeah, adjectives.
Sir,
Understand?
more.
Yeah, Shivmani.
Sir, more 30 seconds